Super Adventure S.
Lovely bit of road this is.
Well, hello, welcome back. This is part 7 now of the RD350LC rebuild. I've done a couple of little things to it since part 6 that I haven't filmed. So I'm just going to take you around now and just show you the couple of little bits that I've done. Right, so I'll just show you a couple of bits that I've done since part 6 that I didn't film basically. All I've done is just that I put the braided hoses on it and I bled the brakes. So that should give it a bit better brakes now, because you know what they're like on these, not very good. I put the clutch lever on and the clutch cable, that's it. And I've done the little gear selector shaft mod that you can get now, because I had a bit of play in that and it was leaking a little bit, so we've done one of them, put that on. It's not quite an easy job, it's only like 35 quid as well, so it's well worth doing. Yeah, so that's about it really, that's all I've done since then. So I'm now going to get on with the rest of it, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, so that's all I can do for now. Basically, I've got to do the exhausts. I've got to paint them, so I can't fit them yet. Got a little cover on here I need to paint, so I'll put that on once I've painted that. What else is there? Got the right hand side casing here. We haven't got that back from powder coat yet, because basically we did get it back, but we weren't quite happy with the finish, so we haven't redone again. So once that's back, I can fit that, then I can fit the old pump. Yeah, then I can fit the radiator cover then, once I've fitted that. Because once you fit the radiator cover, you can't undo the cap or do it back up. So I have to wait till it's all filled with water and then put the cover on. That'll be the last thing to do. So yeah, it's getting there really. Well, as you can see, that's practically done now. Only got that engine casing to do really and the exhaust, so it's nearly there. So once we've done that, we'll be taking it for a test ride. So that'll be good, keep an eye out for that, that'll be a good video. I'll be filming it all. So basically, if you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And then I'll see you all on the next one.